Now, we know that TikTok is a really important platform for social SEO and discoverability. TikTok has actually kind of listened to some of the suggestions that they've been getting to help creators to categorize their content better so that it can display really clearly in searches. And we know that young people tend to head to platforms like Instagram and TikTok more as their first point of call when they are searching for something, searching for ideas, products, inspiration. So, TikTok has actually just announced that they're going to start rolling out a feature that will allow creators to add relevant keywords to their video metadata to improve discoverability. So, this feature is designed to help better categorize content on the platform and to surface it to users based on their search intent and interests. So, creators are going to be able to add keywords that they would like to associate with a post, a little bit like hashtags, but behind the scenes. And you can also block any keywords that you want to be excluded. They do have to be approved by TikTok first, but it gives you a bit more control on the search keywords on your videos. So, for example, if you created a wonderful review of an afternoon tea in London and you wanted to try and get as many people as possible to see that if they were searching for afternoon tea ideas in London, you could add the keywords afternoon tea or afternoon tea London to your video. So it's essentially the same practice as using hashtags, but it's behind the scenes so nobody can see that publicly displayed until they are approved by TikTok. Once approved by TikTok, they will kind of help your video to be shown when users have that intention to find that content. So if you have a look at this example here, you can see that next to the word search at the bottom, you can see the keywords in which this video is currently showing on or being optimized for. So, at the moment, TikTok is adding a lot of these search keywords automatically using its AI. And actually, you'll notice on the example we have on the right-hand side here, the AI has not picked up the right hotel in the search there. So it's actually a different named hotel that it's picked up to the one that's being discussed in the video, which isn't great. And so as a user, you will eventually be able to determine what the search keywords are going to be. People have been trying to hack this system for a couple of years now, but this is the first time that TikTok has actually officially allowed you to categorize a video based on keywords. Now, this is all part of TikTok's move to enhance its search and recommendation systems, giving creators to start with, but hopefully more users, businesses, etc., more control over how their content is indexed. Let's take a look at some brands that are actually absolutely nailing their SEO strategy on TikTok at the moment because TikTok has become such an important place to embrace keywords and hashtags. And the brands that understand TikTok SEO are the ones that are generating the most views and engagement at the moment. So these are three brands that we thought were doing a really good job of TikTok SEO, starting with Foot Locker, who this week launched their TikTok shop for the first time. They really understand the fact that a lot of, the trainer community and sneaker lovers do search for product names and brands. So every single video that they create has very clear keywords and hashtags within the caption. The Ordinary, the beauty brand, know that a lot of people will be searching for specific ingredients. They're all about the ingredients that are going into the products and they put them front and center on the packaging. So therefore, those ingredients are also front and center in terms of the hashtags and keywords used in the captions. And finally, we've always been big fans of Bills and we like to see what they're doing on TikTok too. This yummy burger, you can see here, has all the ingredients within the caption here, and they have actually used a TikTok influencer and chef Poppy Cooks as the collaborator here who has created this recipe, which they're calling Poppy's Burger. And they've also got some of the other ingredients like tater tots, which are a big part of this meal in the caption too. So don't just post a couple of words for your caption in TikTok. It is really important to make sure you're getting the most important keywords that you think users might be searching for into that caption, into the hashtags, and eventually, when it's available, into those search keywords as well.